Many believe that the brand new Cadillac Celestiq will be peak of luxurious electric cars. The car was recently unveiled by General Motors GM, and it will be released sometime in the year 2023. Most of the people see the new Cadillac Celestiq as an effort to restore the past glory of the world-renowned American brand General Motors, which has been lost in the recent years. The new and highly innovative electric sedan from Cadillac will draw customers from not only the companies like Mercedes-Maybach, but also world-famous and exotic brands such as BMW and Rolls-Royce. Cadillac is completely done with being in the shadows of other European luxury car makers, and now wants to launch its own super luxurious and, better than all others, electric sedan vehicle. The luxury cars designers have made many amends to compete with the other brands and develop a car that serves many purposes and hopefully will be loved by all of its customers. The design of the brand new Cadillac Celestiq. This all-new Cadillac Celestiq is an ostentatious sedan which has theatrical design elements, remarkable proportions and huge dimensions. It is for sure that it will make heads turn wherever it goes. The real version which will be produced will most likely be way better in all senses than the near-production version that was unveiled by General Motors recently at an event. From outside, this new Cadillac Celestiq looks more or less like a replica of its predecessors. However, according to Cadillac, this will be the very epitome of luxury experience worldwide. The best part is that the vehicle greets its owners or customers on its own when they approach it with a specifically designed light animation and reflects on its dramatic design. Truly stunning. On the front, the Cadillac has a striking appearance. It has a brand logo which is infused with the backlight along with decorated black crystal shield for grille, and an ultra-slim turn indicators which are placed at the top of the vehicle. All of this gives the car an intense, striking and exalted appearance. The interior and other features in the brand new Celestiq. Cadillac has definitely raised the bar with opulent, innovative and exquisite design and details on the inside of this brand new Cadillac Celestiq. It is a 4-passenger car and has simple yet sophisticated designs and features which overall offer a great driving and travel experience. It is built with state-of-the-art technology and completely sustainable materials, making it even environmentally friendly. Tech-savvy customers would find the new Cadillac Celestiq particularly attractive as it boasts an end-to-end 55-inch LED display screen on its dashboard, which allows the drivers or passengers to play both audios and visuals. The car also comes with an SPD smart glass nanotechnology roof, which allows each passenger to control the clarity of their own respective roof sections. It also comes with various remote functions, which will be useful for many owners. The Cadillac Celestiq owners will now be able to access various functions of their car just via a mobile phone app. They can easily lock or unlock their car, turn headlights on or off, enable or disable the various infotainment services, and even preheat the car's cabin. So many extra special features will make this car special and unique. Production and price. The all-new Cadillac Celestiq will most likely cost more or less around $300,000. General Motors has not yet confirmed the price of the new model, but the most anticipated price will be near a mind-blowing $200,000 at least. General Motors automobile making company will begin the production of this new and unique Cadillac model as late in the year 2023, and it will be said that only about 500 units of this amazing car will be released each year. The extremely high price of the car and limited units will make sure that only the elite and super rich are allowed to own this car. General Motors will be investing more than $81 million for the production and the promotion of the new Cadillac Celestiq. The battery and platform. The brand new Cadillac Celestiq will run on the General Motors GM all-electric platform, and it will use the Ultium battery and drive modes technology, which was also previously used in the GMC Hummer EV electric vehicle. The brand new sedan will showcase the full potential of the Ultium battery and will allow the vehicle to have an acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5 seconds. The Cadillac Celestiq will also come with an Ultium's energy recovery feature. This car also comes with a special heat pump. This special heat pump allows the vehicle to recover the wasted heat energy from various sources like batteries, power electronics, and even propulsion units and store it for future use. The special heat pump can even capture heat from the humidity that is both inside and outside the car, even including the body heat from the drivers and passengers. The previously stored heat can be used for various purposes like heating the cabin, warming up the battery during winter months before charging, and also to create ideal temperature for the propulsion units to function with complete safety during high-performance driving. Long drive.